Okay, I wanted to do an update on my air conditioning situation problem and my cooling fan. In the past I had a bad cooling fan. The cooling fan was bad, I replaced it. Then I thought there was issues with the connector, the pigtail going there. I messed around with that. And over the time I had fixed it, but this last time that didn't seem to be working. So I went to the fuse box. This 30 amp fuse was good, but you should be getting, you know, when you check the connectors in there with a voltmeter, it should be live all the time. It should be 12 volts. It was nothing. In the past, I know on the forum, people have talked about always making sure these are really tightened down tight, tighter than you think they should be, which I had done. But I figured I've tried everything else. Let me do it one more time. I was tightening them down, and they, sure enough, they could take a little bit more tightening. Of course, then I heard a big crack, and I thought I broke the whole box. It's like, nope. Must have been this reseating, so now it has power. Went and checked, turned the car on, the cooling fan kicked right on, air compressor clutch was going, but I still had no cold air. So I figured I'll put a gauge on, you know, one of the cans with gauge. Sure enough, it was a little bit on the low side. I put some freon in it and got nice and cold, and it's been cold for over a month now in the hot August Florida weather, which is great. So if you are having issues with your air conditioner when not working, you know, and it has anything to do with the cooling fan not running, which also, of course, will overheat your car, check the fuse box. It's an easy, simple check. You know, if you're not getting power to that fuse, it could be that your fuse box bolts are loose. That seems to cause a lot of trouble on these cars. Loose fuse box bolts. Tightening those down can fix a lot of stuff. So hopefully that helps you out too. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and comment if you feel like it.